can you use a sprayer if you're doing something yourself? Like if you're gonna paint your room, can you use a sprayer? Yeah, you can. You're more than welcome to go buy a sprayer and use it. You have to understand the way we try to look at when do we spray and when do we just brush and roll. We typically say, okay, if there's gonna be more than one coat, and the prep time that we put in, because it's a lot more prep to spray versus prep to brush and roll. However, the amount of time painting is typically a lot less spraying than it is with brushing and rolling. So the way we look at it is we say, if it's gonna be more than one coat, we can look at the option to spray. So if it's gonna be more than one coat and there's not a ton of furniture in the house, or there's not a million windows and doors and stuff that we have to cover up, then we can look at spraying as an option. If it's just one coat and maybe there's a lot of furniture and floors, stuff you gotta cover up everywhere, it might just be better to brush and roll. There's also a level of mastery to using a sprayer, not getting overspray on other things. I don't recommend it. Naturally, I recommend calling a pro. We can do it in a third of the time, and usually end up not costing you much money. So you'll be looking at it and you'll say, oh, well, for this amount of money, I would rather just hire somebody. On a magnitude of something like an exterior, something that needs multiple coats, brush and roll or hire a pro. I don't recommend you rent or buy your own sprayer. However, you can.